I'm the clown.
I took it on your shirt accidentally.
Oh, it's on your shirt! Oh!
Started with the bar of soap and we put it in the microwave because we wanted to see what happened.
Well, we put this bar of soap in the microwave or in the bowl, and then we take the bowl over to the microwave, and then set it for 2 minutes. 2, 0, 0. Start.
You rub it on your hands, it looks like marshmallows when you're trying to make Rice Krispie bars.
Really? Is that what it reminds you of?
Well, it's
It's growing and it's like blowing up. It's like a popcorn kernel.
Cool.
Blowing up.
Should we pull it out or?
Yeah. No.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at it.
Oh!
Sorry.
Oh.
Ooh.
Now Addison can talk about it.
Does it look like a bar of soap anymore? Kind of looks like cotton candy.
A what?
Except white. A what? It looks like a what? Cotton candy. Feels like kind of like plastic or something like that.
What do you think, Addison? What does it feel like?
Marshmallow.
Okay.
Except hard.
Sawyer?
I think it reminds me of like little toys that you can play, like rubber duckies.
And then this is a leftover piece from the bar of soap, and it's kind of like squishy. It doesn't feel like that stuff
Oh,
at all.
from the real bar of soap.
Feel it. It feels like the inside of a roasted marshmallow.